Hi everyone, Dr. Matt here from the Healthy Family Chiropractic. One of the questions we often get is what are other ways that we can do as chiropractors to help people with neck pain and back pain? Because some people might be actually scared or unsure of how it is that we make an adjustment, and they maybe don't want to hear the popping noise. So one of the things I have in my hands here is called an activator. And this is a tool that was actually invented a long time ago, and it allows us to be very specific, but still very gentle to make the correction that we need to make without making that popping sound. But you will hear that clicking sound. So a lot of people also call this the clicker. So that's one of the ways that we can help somebody with neck pain, back pain, mid-back pain, any type of joint pain by making the adjustment, but without getting the cracking sound. So for a lot of you that are looking to go to a chiropractor that you might have been scared or unsure of, this is a great solution that is not only painless, but you can get great results without getting scared of what could happen. It's really, really minimal. The other thing that we have, which I think is even cooler, is our newest thing, which is called an Activator Gun. So this is an electric gun, so it's powered, and it does the exact same thing. The only thing that this thing allows us to do is be able to still make that little adjustment, but we can change the different degrees on this to make it more with more amplitude or less, or we can even cause it to do multiple bursts to really make sure that that joint moves. So this is an excellent way that we can, again, make that correction and get great results without even hearing that popping sound. So if you've ever wondered whether or not you should go to a chiropractor, or whether or not chiropractic is safe for you, or whether or not you have a condition, if you can get adjusted, these often are the ways that we get around that. If you have any questions about this video, about getting adjusted, whether or not chiropractic's right for you, simply comment down below and I will get back to you and I'll answer all your questions. Likewise, I want to show you really quickly what it looks like on a spine to get an adjustment using one of these. Here's the spine model, and this is if we're using the regular activator. We would place it on the joint that isn't moving and we would simply click it. Pretty easy. Same thing applies with a gun. We would place it against that same joint and we'd be able to make the adjustment. Like I said, also we can make multiple adjustments by simply holding down and getting a bigger release. So this is the easiest way to make an adjustment. So I hope that helps answer any questions that you have regarding other methods that we use as a chiropractor to help get the adjustment, to help get people feeling better, and more importantly, help getting people moving better so they can go out and do the things that they want to do painlessly and without having to take drugs. I'm Dr. Matt. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.